Can't pause updates on your Windows 11 because the option is grayed out? In this video, we'll show you 2 simple fixes to get it working again. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Type gpdit.msc in the Run box and press the Enter key to open Local Group Policy Editor. Browse through the following path in the Local Group Policy Editor window as clearly given below. Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows, Update, Manage End User Experience. Once you have reached Manage End User Experience, double-click on Remove Access to Pause Updates feature to open its wizard. Select Not Configured option in the Remove Access to Pause Updates feature window, and then click OK button as shown below. Then, close the Local Group Policy Editor window. Now, open Command Prompt as admin. Now, run the command given below once, gpupdate/force close CMD window, and try again. Now, if you go to Windows Update page, you can see the Pause Updates option is available on your system. Press Windows plus R keys together to open Run dialog box. Type regedit in the Run box and hit the Enter key. Click Yes on the UAC prompt to continue. Copy and paste the below path in the address bar of the Registry Editor window and press the Enter key. H key, Local, Machine Wo Software and Policies O, Microsoft and Windows So, Windows Update. Once you reach the Windows Update Registry key on the left side of the Registry Editor, select Windows Update key and right-click on the Set Disable Pause Yux Access Dword value and click Delete from the context menu as shown in the below image. Click Yes button on the Confirm Value Delete box to continue. Then, close the Registry Editor window and restart your system. Now you can see that the Pause Updates option is available in the Windows Update page. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.